Well, it's Saturday, the 30th of April. I'm out for a ride with Ethan and his dad Carl. We're going to go up to the Ponderosa. We're going to meet up with Davros, and then I think we're going to Bournemouth, whichever it is. I can't remember. And you couldn't get a better day, could you? That thing's shining up there, man. All the birds are singing. Got the new tyres on the bike. They seem better. Time will tell. Time will tell better. Apparently they're supposed to be very good in the rain. So that's when they'll show the best. So anyway, I'll see you people out on the road. I can hear a couple of bikes, so I wonder who that is. Hey? Here's Ethan.
I'll take up the rear.
We know.
Oh, it's going to be one of them days.
Which way are we going? Are we going the what's it way then? The Madeley?
Yeah,
Madeley?
Yeah. Oh, the beat's going.
Let him go.
Let's go.
It won't take long before he wants to get in front anyway.
Oh, it's nice being out. You've got my registration, ZZR.
I know, huh?
Come out in the night time until these holes in.
Yeah, they are a pain in the fucking arse.
Awful. Indicator right.
He's gone through on red, that naughty boy has.
Got a volume up.
Now, if I start talking to myself, don't worry about it, because
No,
I'm
it's
just
alright.
I'm talking to YouTube if I do.
Yeah, no problem. No worries. That's normal, isn't it?
The first wrap with these tyres on,
Yeah.
this is its first proper ride on them little roads,
Oh,
them
of course,
twisty
yeah,
roads.
you've had new ones, yeah.
Yeah, and honest to
Like
God,
a dream. Makes a
they,
massive
they,
difference.
they inspire confidence.
Well, brilliant.
I really like them.
Yeah.
I mean, them other ones what were on it had been on it from brand new battle axes,
Right.
and I didn't like them.
No. They're not an expensive tyre though, are they, as a massive
Yeah,
brand? They're only a cheap version.
see on my
Yeah.
Bandit I've always had Michelin pilots, but
Yeah,
always like the earlier models, the Pilot 2 or the Pilot 3, you know what I mean?
right. Yeah.
And they were always good, but
Always
these
good. Yeah.
are another league, these are.
Yeah. I go Pirelli, always go with Pirelli. For some reason. Don't know. Ever since I had the Hayabusa with Pirelli Angels.
I didn't know you had an Hayabusa.
I had a cleared the cobwebs out.
.2 mile, we're turning left.
Okay.
Half a mile, Carl.
Yeah, no problem. I'll just put the aerials as well. I know where I am.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left to stay on A539.
Down here. Go left.
Left to stay on A539.
over the roundabout?
Yeah.
In 200 yards, at the roundabout, continue straight onto Ruarbon Interchange, A539. In 100 yards, at the roundabout, continue straight onto A539. In a quarter of a mile, at the roundabout, take the third exit onto Llangollen Road, A539.
Straight over this one?
Yeah. Third exit we want, Llangollen.
Yeah.
Exit the roundabout onto Llangollen Road.
He was in the wrong lane then, he
Yeah,
was.
and he was. After the bus row, you clear? Yeah, it's still clear. Still clear, mate. Just nice to know you've got the power there when you need it.
Yeah, he certainly knows.
Our bike will ride. Our Hayabusa will fly.
That's what it is, yeah.
Oh my god.
Well, a lot of people out enjoying the fucking camping, isn't they?
Are you going?
No, well, I don't.
No. Yeah, I'm going. Llangollen. Wales is beautiful, isn't it?
It is.
Lovely places.
I was born in Rutland, you know.
Were you really?
Yeah. Got family still there.
Wow. Straight through the light. Could have been naughty then, gone past him. I thought so. And then the big bus come in. Lavender House, 1829. I'm just looking at that pavement over there, thinking, oh, I'll go right up that. And go along the pavement.
I'm not having nothing to eat or drink at the pond, eh?
No,
No.
waiting for fish and chips.
Chippy!
Fish and chippy. That was the last time we went to Bournemouth. When we pulled in, I could smell chippy.
Yeah.
That was a long day, I think that was.
It was, yeah.
That was.
Choppy up here.
Your destination is on the right.
Morning, Vicky!
Morning.
You alright?
Yeah.
Good lad.
Oh, long time no see.
Come on. We'll have a shag on then. Carl, you know Carl, don't you? Ethan.
Ethan.
That's that booty.
Congratulations.
Oh, he's like a woman. He rides like a woman.
Can we go right?
No, we're up there.
Can we go left?
Go on, we're here.
Okay.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, all good. Sorry.
Playing on round on his fucking red tube on his phone.
No. Oh yeah.
Who the hell was that?
Who's what?
Someone said, ah, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Carl. That camera recording now, Daz?
Not the back one, no.
Oh, right.
I think I need to give it a little time to charge up the battery.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Fuck off, you dickhead.
What's in my head now?
Can I get a oat cake?
That's the one. Can I get an oat cake?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sausage, cheese and tomato oat cake.
That's my favourite, that one is.
Yeah, mine too. You tried an Eddie Hall one?
Oh, that one from Castle Oat Cakes.
Eddie Hall oat cakes from Newcastle, yeah.
Yeah, no, I haven't tried that one. It's a bit too big for
Oh,
me.
behave yourself. There's a place even
Oh dear.
McDonald's in the middle.
What's this one? Is this turning?
No.
No, no, no.
No, 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 no.
Not this one.
Not a boy. Next bloody
This
turning.
next one. Next one. Bella.
Bella monsieur. I'm putting my bike straight here because I'm having a photograph.
Yeah.
fucking done one, hasn't he?
Yeah.
Right. We're getting left.
Are we?
Well, I don't know where the fucking
Centre
I'll
and
call
by
it.
the front.
Yeah, go up by the front way, yeah.
Yeah.
See if we can find a spot for 4 bikes. If not, then we'll go that other one. You know that way we parked before?
Right, I've just pulled over on the right, you see.
Yeah, I see you.
Let me in.
Go on.
Want to go?
Go on. I wanna have sex on the beach. Come on, Carl, let's party.
We've got one here. We've got 4 in here.
Thought you'd want to go a bit further up.
Do you want to?
Yeah, go a bit further up.
Further up.
Yeah. If not, I mean.
Here's the one on the end. Yeah.
Are we going here then? You can
Yeah,
go there
I'll
then,
do-
Carl. You go there, Carl.
Yeah.
Here.
On your left. This one here.
Looks like it's closed.
I'm sure down there. Down there.
In 200 yards, turn right to stay on Tootil.
What? Try and think. I won't get a photograph. So you know what? I'm gonna go on here. I just want to get a photograph.
It's alright. Is your bike in gear?
Take the next right to stay on Tootle. At 200 yards, turn right onto Ford Nat with A496. Take the next right onto A496. Continue on A496 for 9 miles.
It looks like those signs were lying about the toilets.
Come here, aren't there? Are these? Toilets, are they?
Yeah,
It looks like it.
Get round the back of
If
it.
not, go round the back.
What are you, Luke?
And the bush here.
Come on, you must have been in a bush a few times, Daz.
Together.
You animal. Bloody hellfire. Repeating on me now.
Yeah. Stop and get a pie then.
Yeah.
I tell you what, I love that hill coming out from the castle with all the hairpins on it.
Say that again.
That down, you know, that hill from the castle.
Yeah, coming down.
Yeah, with all those hairpins. I absolutely love that.
It's a fucker when you're coming up. I came up the first time and I shit myself. Wrong side of the fucking road, car coming down.
What, that little lane at Harwick there?
Yeah.
Yeah. out there.
Hey Cardo, music on.
Stop for a puff.
Who's a fucking puff?
He says who's a fucking puff. Choppy, choppy. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Wicked. Yes. You got a match on like me. This is perforated. Just a t-shirt I've got on underneath.
Radio on.
Yeah. What's high at?
907.5.
Ricardo, radio off.
Radio off.
Now don't fucking come on again, you cunt.
Yeah, looks nice, eh? Oh shit, nearly fell down the fucking hill.
Take the next right onto A4212. Continue on A4.
Hey, you bugger.
We used to have them a lot up here, you know.
Right, I'm going this, taking the
Yeah,
right.
I was thinking you begin that way, we're going straight on.
Okay.
Right, I'm
Take
taking
care.
right,
You
right,
will.
boys.
You take care.
See you later, Dad. I'll give you a ring later on.
Okay, right.
Alright, he's gone now, we can talk about him.
You horrible. You are.
Me talk about Daz, that's never going to happen, he's my bestest mate, he is.
Well, I mean,
Over the river of love. Fucking
fish is
nice,
repeating on me terrible. Oh,
Hey?
that fish.
Yeah, that's what it is. I keep burping all the time.
Trusty can be sitting here. I've got a better view.
You there, Carl?
Yeah, I'm moving behind you now.
roundabout onto Whitchurch Bypass. Continue on Whitchurch Bypass.
I know, yeah,
Oh,
when
it's
we're
come from
coming out
there,
that
yeah.
way, yeah, dodgy little
That's right,
bastard,
it's
innit?
horrible.
I came off over there, I did.
What, you fell off?
Yeah, a couple of years ago, me and Peggy,
Yeah?
we were on his way back from camping trip,
Yeah.
and I got a right bad shock of a fucking
Yeah.
cramp in my fucking leg,
Yeah, yeah.
and I just couldn't hold the bike, and it just fucking rolled over and fell on me.
Dropped off. There's a bike in front.
Yeah, him who said, oh yeah, turn round, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's in there, yeah.
We'd have been nearly fucking home now.
Yeah. I said to me missus, I said it'll be about 5 o'clock.
Don't forget, remind him on, send me all the photographs.
Will do, it's coming up your side of you, I think. Come shake hands, I don't know. Take care, Royster.
And you?
Alright, mate.